It's about using AI tools effectively, with realistic expectations and straightforward strategies that beginners can follow. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are turning small amounts of money into real profits using AI in 2026, step by step. Welcome back to TechMoneyAI, the channel where we turn AI into simple, practical ways to make money online. Invest better with the power of AI. If you want weekly videos like this, tap subscribe and turn on notifications, because I have many more AI experiments coming soon. Let's start with method number 1. AI microflip content. This method works with GPT-5, Canva, TikTok, Instagram, Etsy or Gumroad. The strategy is simple. 1. Use GPT-5 to generate micro-digital products like planners, affirmations, checklists, and templates. 2. Use Canva free to format them. 3. Sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Why this works? Templates are small but high demand, and people pay between $3 and $10 for simple digital items. Sell just 10 copies, and your $10 turns into $100. What beginners love? No design skills. No inventory. Zero risk. AI creates the content in minutes. This method works especially well for fitness templates, meal planners, wedding checklists, study notes, ChatGPT prompt sheets. Method number 2. AI affiliate stacking using small ads. You can use AI affiliate products that pay $10 to $40 per sale. With your $10, you run a small TikTok or Instagram promotion, using AI-generated content. How to do it? 1. Sign up for affiliate programs, AI tools, apps, templates. 2. Ask GPT-5 to create 10 short viral video scripts. 3. Use Pika Labs, Runway ML, or Canva to create the short videos. 4. Post them daily. If even 3 people buy your affiliate product, you'll hit $100 easily. Why this works? The AI niche is exploding, and affiliate commissions are very high. Method number 3. AI crypto micro-trading, realistic example. This is where GPT-5 or an AI trading assistant helps you make small, low-risk trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Not meme coins. Not gambling. Realistic example. You use the $10 to take multiple micro trades with 1 to 2% gains, 0.5% stop loss, high liquidity tokens. If you repeat this 10 times successfully, your account grows from $10 to $100. Why beginners fail without AI? They trade emotional. I trades logical. Tools you can use. GPT-5 Trading Assistant, Dex Check AI, Copilot Trader. Method number 4. AI-assisted freelancing. You don't need money to start freelancing. AI does 80% of the work. Your $10 goes toward upgrading your Fiverr gig image, promoting your gig, creating better graphics. But the real value comes from AI. Services you can offer. Social media posts, Captions. AI-generated logos. Resumes. Website copy. Short video scripts. Pricing. Charge $10 to $25 per order. Get 5 clients right, pointing arrow, you've turned your $10 into $100. Method number 5. AI, task flipping. This is one of the fastest growing side hustles. You take tasks people hate doing. Summarizing documents. Rewriting emails. Organizing notes. Extracting data. Researching topics. And you let GPT-5 do them instantly. Where to offer this? 1. Reddit, small biz forums. 2. Fiverr. 3. Discord groups. 4. Facebook groups. Charge $5 to $20 per task. Do 5 to 10 tasks right, pointing arrow, $100 earned. Recap. Here's a quick recap of the 5 ways to turn $10 into $100 using AI tools. Micro digital products. Affiliate stacking with AI content. AI-powered micro crypto trades. AI-assisted freelancing. AI task flipping. If you want a full tutorial on any one of these methods, comment $10 right, pointing arrow, $100 guide below. And don't forget to subscribe to TechMoneyAI for more AI money experiments. See you in the next video.